Have you completed your graduation?
Okay, can you guess my education? Can you guess how educated I am?
Actually, I'm unable to guess your education.
What if I say I'm not educated person?
No, I can't say that you are not. You can't say.
Yes, yeah, it is true. I didn't go to school any single day. I'm completely uneducated person. No, it's fine.
Yes. Okay, okay, that's fine. So, sir, how are you?
Okay, first of all, I would like to say something. Don't call me sir. I'm not your sir, and consider
Okay,
me
sir.
I'm your.
Actually, with whom I talk, I used to say sir, sir. So don't mind. So okay, I can call you. I can call you, bro. Okay.
Yeah, that is.
Okay. So how are you doing?
Yes, I'm absolutely fine, and thank you for asking.
Okay, welcome. And please introduce yourself in short.
Okay, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Naresh Kashyap. I'm from Delhi, and these days I am learning English, and I have been learning for 8 months.
Oh, that's good. So now let me introduce myself. I'm Jitendra Kumar and from Uttar Pradesh, and I have completed my 10 plus 2, and also there is a specific degree that I have, that is diploma in civil engineering. And nowadays, or you can say that currently I have been teaching in a private school. And if I talk about my hobbies, so there are a lot of hobbies I have, such as reading, listening, and interacting people like you, and so on. And that's all about my self intro.
Okay, so you mentioned you are teacher.
Oh
Am I right?
yes, yes, yes. In a
So
private school, I teach.
okay, so what do you teach? Which
Yes,
subject teach?
basically I teach in that school, in my school, English and math below 8 standard student.
It in the, okay. So how many students do you have?
I think near about 100 students, 100 students,
Okay,
and in 8th class student and class wise student are differ. You can in 5th class, 6th class, 7th class students, 14, 15, and somewhere 20 students. So it's differ class wise.
okay.
So, is your native place Delhi?
Yeah, Delhi it's my native place. I was born and brought up in Delhi by God grace.
Everyone born on this planet by God grace and by our parents.
But I'm lucky to born in Delhi.
Oh, that's good. But I am also lucky. I can say that because I born at the land of Lord Ram and Krishna and Bholenath. Ayodhya.
Definitely.
It's
I know.
it's big opportunity for me.
Yes.
So could you say anything else about you and what are you doing there, and do you anything doing special in your?
I don't do any specific thing to learn this language. I do just simply reading and listening because I'm comfortable at reading because
Reading?
I easily understand words, structure by reading. So I prefer to read. I love
So
reading.
one common questions I would like to talk to you. So why are you learning and why are you trying to speak English?
Oh my God. I want to speak English. This is
So
the
why you
reason only.
why you want to speak English? Do you have any idea about it? Why you are interested in English speaking?
Why I'm interested learn this language. So there is no reason. I just want to speak. So that's why I choose and to learn this language. This is very beautiful and global language. So we can
Yeah.
easily interact everywhere. Out in India and out of India, we can interact different people easily with the help of English,
Yes,
isn't
of
it?
course, of course.
And if I talk about you, why are you learning?
Actually, as I told you, and I mentioned in this beginning of this video, that I have been teaching in a private school. So being an English teacher and being an Indian citizen, it's my responsibility to learn English and to speak English. Being a teacher, you should know all the language, not all the language, but you can speak Hindi language, Bhojpuri language, and English language. It is a global language, as you said. So that's why I'm also learning, and there are a lot of reason behind it, because we are as a human being, when we have to go outside of a country or outside of other state of our country, so we have to suffer while talking, while interacting with peoples. But if we know how to speak English language, so we can easily and comfortably talk in any language.
Definitely.
And if I talk about regional language from Tamil Nadu and Kerala and Karnataka. So you will find a different language, Kannada, Tamil, and Malayalam. So at that time you can't speak even a little bit about Kannada language, Malayalam. So at that time, if you know English language properly, so you can talk, you can interact with them. So, and also we have completed our degrees, and we are trying to get a job in different areas, in different fields of life. So at that time we need to speak English, we need to give our intro in English language. Many companies and many people, many companies and many organizations ask in English language. So at that time we can also speak English if we know very well and how to speak and how to write. So that's all.
Yeah, if we know how to speak English, so it easy to get a job.
Yes, of course. And not only get job, but also we can get promotion. We will be promotion. So
Definitely. Yes, yes, yes.
yeah,
We
so
can
it's a
happen as well.
yes, English speaking or English spoken will lead our promotion in any company or organization. So I think
Yeah. Okay.
okay, carry on.
Which language is spoken in your area?
In my areas, especially people speak Bhojpuri language and Hindi language.
Okay. So, do you have a partner with whom you can practice English?
No, I don't have partner. There was a partner I had, but right now he had gone somewhere, and right now I am alone at my home. But I usually practice with myself, with my objects. There are a lot of things available at our home, so we can talk with them, but they cannot speak a little bit, but we can express our thoughts and our opinions with them. This is book, this is book, and it's a color red, and it has 100 pages, 20 pages. So like this I can talk and I can practice. And nowadays I'm trying to meet with the different peoples of different areas of, or you can say that different states, boys and girls who are interested in English speaking, like you, like me, and other, a lot of students and lot of English learner are available on YouTube channels, on many platforms. So I'm trying to connect with them so that I can speak, I can interact, and I can make my communication skill strong and better.
Absolutely, absolutely. Okay. So, do you like watch movies?
Yes, of course. I watch movie, but sometime not. I I most of my time I surf Facebook and other social media like Instagram and Facebook and etc etc. But I don't get time to watch movie. But whenever new pictures, new movies released, uh, then I definitely watch.
Okay. So, what is the last movie which you watched?
My last movie which I watched, that is 12th Fail.
12th one. Yeah, yes, yes. It is very,
Yes.
great movie.
So
I
12th,
also watched.
12th Fail I saw, but it was not a HD movie, but it was good.
Yeah, yeah. It was,
Quality was not HD,
motivation.
but it was MP4. So, but I managed that thing.
Okay. So, which character did you find good? It is motivation. character. Which character do you find too good for you?
In that movie, I think I didn't mention. You know,
Why? Oh,
especially if I talk about character, I thought that who was leading role of Manoj Kumar. Uh, I think I'm unable to recall his name. I think koi Medha Shankar his name sad actually, but I am unable to recall. And girls, both character who's leading Manoj Kumar role and who's leading uh, you know his girlfriend name was
Shraddha.
what?
Shraddha. Shraddha.
Shraddha. Yes. Both character were playing very important role. So I think that both are very appreciable, and uh, I like both of them.
Yes, yes, yes.
It's a
Okay.
very personal story and film.
Yeah, it is very, motivation kind of
Yes,
motivation movies. I should recommend, to watch this movie. Anyone?
yes, of course, it's a very motivational movies and inspirational movie. And one most important thing I would like to tell you, um, recently this movie got many, you can say that many rewards.
Okay, good. So,
So
yeah, yeah, go ahead.
okay, go ahead.
Okay, so which food do you like to eat most?
I can't say that which food I like most. I like every food beside beside non-vegetarian food because I'm vegetarian.
I also completely vegetarian. I don't eat even, egg.
But I don't eat, I don't take egg and any kind of fish or
Yes, yes.
you can say that vegetarian food.
Yeah, I eat only vegetarian foods.
I also.
Yes. So, okay. So, do you have any question?
Yes, I have questions. So please tell me, uh, nowadays what are you doing there? Have you completed your graduation or still you are continuing?
Okay, can you guess my education? Can you guess how educated
I am
I am?
actually I'm unable to guess your education, and I hope that you have completed your graduation. I'm not sure.
What if I say you I'm not educated person?
No, I can't say that you are not. You can't say.
Yes, yeah, it is true. I didn't go to school any single day. I'm completely uneducated person. Yeah,
How did
illiterate.
you learn? It's a very it's a very interesting fact and very inspirational story you are telling. How did you learn being you are not educated? If you are not educated, so how do you know what is this and what is this and how we should read this? So we can't
So
understand. We can speak English, we can learn any language, but when we have to write it on any paper, so we can unable to write, we cannot write. So how could you say that you are not educated person?
whatever I have learned, I learned completely through YouTube or Google.
Google. So
Google
how do you
and
read? So how do you read?
how I read.
Yes.
How I read, like I learned through YouTube's video. There are lots of
So one
teacher.
thing, you didn't go school. So how is it possible?
Yeah, it is possible. You can see, you can see me.
No, I can see you, but you are a nice person and you are handsome person. So I can guess, uh, but I think that it's not true that you are an uneducated person.
True, bro, it is true. But I learned ABCD, then after word meaning. That is how that's how my journey has started.
Oh, that's a really, really a very inspirational story.
Yes. Now I'm able to read, write, and speaking. You can see, I'm learning speaking part.
Oh, sir. So, but I'm unable to still assume and believe that you will be uneducated person. But maybe you are saying that maybe you are right. But in 19% out of 100, I assume that you are educated person, and
You
10%
know,
I don't
if
believe.
I were, if I were educated person, so I would do something, extraordinary things.
But sir, many people are on this planet who have succeeded, who have got more degree, various kind of degrees with them, but they are not speaking anything. They are not doing extraordinary. So I can't. You can't say like this.
Okay. I will
Okay,
remember
okay. But
this
you are
word.
saying you are saying for a while I can believe it, and that you are not educated. But whenever I will remember your journey and your story, I will definitely will be very glad to remember
Oh,
your story, because inspire being you are a not educated person, but you are speaking and you have studied whatever so far in English speaking field with the help of YouTube, with the help of Google. So it's a really really wonderful work and
okay.
really
Thank you.
wonderful job.
Thank you for appreciate my work.
Okay, welcome.
Okay.